Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you all how to make a very trendy mesh skull cap, I think. And trust me, it's very easy and super fun to make. So you'll be needing a medium weight yarn, 3mm hook, and measuring tape. If you have a tighter tension, I would advise that you make use of a 3.5mm hook. Now let's get into the tutorial. So to begin, you're going to start by making a slip knot. Then chain up 4. Now slip stitch into the very first chain that you made. And you will notice that you've created a tiny ring. Chain up 3, and into that tiny ring in the middle, insert your hook and make a double crochet. Sorry, I forgot to add that this chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and we need to make a total of 20 double crochet. And since we have 2 already made, we're going to make 18 more double crochet stitches into the magic ring. So guys, I have made 18 more double crochet stitches and I have a total of 20 stitches made. Now to close up the circle, slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain. Chain up 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 extra, and this will count as a chain 1 space. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Chain up 1, insert your hook into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Chain up 1, insert your hook into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Chain up 1. Repeat the pattern all the way around till you get to your starting chain. So I've worked till I got to the very last stitch here. Please do not make any stitch into the slip stitch from the previous row, which is this. And you should have a total of 20 double crochet stitches made. So to finish up, you slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain. For row 3, chain up 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, then you're going to make 2 chains extra. This will count as a chain 2 space. Skip the chain space and go directly into the double crochet stitch and you make 1 double crochet. Chain up 2, skip the chain space, go into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. Chain up 2, skip the chain space, go into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet. Chain up 2. Now you're going to repeat the pattern all the way around till you get to your starting chain here. Now slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain to join. Now for row 4, chain up 3, and you're going to make 3 extra chains. This will count as a chain 3 space, and you're going to skip the chain space, go into the next double crochet stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain up 3, skip the chain space, go into the next double crochet stitch, you make 1 double crochet. So the pattern is very easy. Repeat the pattern around till you get to your starting chain. So guys, to finish up, slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain. For row 5, chain up 3, then you're going to chain 4 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4. yarn over and into the next double crochet stitch you make a double crochet, chain up 4, into the next double crochet stitch you make a double crochet, chain up 4, into the next double crochet stitch you make a double crochet, chain up 4. So repeat the pattern till you get to the end of the row. So guys, to finish up, slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain, and we're going to stop our increases on this row. Take your measuring tape and you're going to measure the diameter of your circle. Mine is 6 inches. So from here onwards we are going to stop increasing the chain spaces. Chain up 3, then you're going to chain 4 extra, yarn over, into the next double crochet stitch you make 1 double crochet, chain up 4, into the next double crochet stitch you make 1 double crochet, chain up 4. So repeat the pattern around, 1 double crochet, chain 4 till you get to your starting chain. Now to finish up, slip stitch into the third chain of your starting chain. You will notice that your heart is beginning to form. So just keep repeating row 5 till you get to row 11. So guys, I'm done with mine. I repeated row 5 till I got to row 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it measures 5.5 inches. Now our next row is going to be the shell border. So guys, to make the shell border, chain up 3 and into the same stitch make 2 double crochet. Now into the chain space make 1 single crochet, yarn over, into the double crochet stitch make 3 double crochet, into the chain space make 1 single crochet, yarn over, in the double crochet stitch you make 3 double crochet, and in the chain space you make 1 single crochet. So just repeat the pattern around till you get to the last chain space here before you start in chain. So guys, I've repeated the pattern all the way around till I got to my starting chain here. So I'm going to slip stitch into the third chain of my starting chain, chain up 1 and cut. And this is where we're going to stop today's tutorial. Go ahead and hide your loose ends, try on your hats and make sure it fits. It was nice creating this with you. I hope you had so much fun making yours as well. If you ever get to create this lovely skull hat, I hope I'm getting it right. Is it a hat or a cap? Please let me know in the comment section. But if you ever get to create it, I'd love to see pictures of your work. Please send it to me via any of my social media handles. It will really make my day and to make me staying up all night to create this worth it. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thanks for watching and have a very lovely day. For now, bye and see you guys in another video soon.